Hey there, chat. How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 3 of Bloons Tower Defense, and I've got a couple things to show you, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so while we were away, I was working on this level, so that you didn't have to sit through another 40-minute episode of me doing the same basic things. And I've got a couple of things pretty much set and ready to show you. Behind here, this little hat that you see is a ninja monkey. He's upgraded to level 5 with the shurikens, and he's also got caltrips and seeking shuriken. So those are pretty great. Over here, we've got Monkey Village upgraded to Monkey City, so that all of the runs in this range will get more money per pop. And so that's the goal of this time around, was to generate income. So we put this out as pretty close to the beginning as we could, about round 10 or so. And we got the money upgrades right away so that everything we bought after that would be cheaper. Then we have this guy here, and he has some pretty great upgrades. I'll show you. We've got faster throwing, acid pool, then we went lead to gold, and we went rubber to gold. So any balloon he throws his potions at now will turn into gold, which basically means they're worth more money. So we're stacking him turning balloons to gold, and this taking every balloon that is popped by somebody within its range and making them make more money, and we're putting those together to generate a whole lot of income every round. And that whole lot of income is going to let us throw out characters faster and faster and faster. Now, we don't have enough to get Prince of Darkness yet, but that's okay. We're still living and we're doing fine. We're going to start out going slow. We're at round 80, and we're going to get the ZOMG, and we're going to have 20 rounds till the end, and hopefully we're going to pull this off. Also, along with the Monkey City, once you get Monkey City, every round you get a free dart monkey. So I have 9 free dart monkeys to slap out here, and what we'll probably do is we'll put up another Monkey City, and we're going to put a whole bunch of dart monkeys around here, and we're going to go down this upgrade path all the way to the top. So we'll show you. But first, let's go ahead. Let's get this last Monkey City. It's in range of both of these other two. Ooh, a lot of range on it. Alright, we're going to put this right here. Oh, you know what? Can I get this in here? I cannot. Okay. I don't think we're going to be able to reach that monkey up there. But this top path is a path of primaries, which is all these blue ones right here. And it basically makes them better and stronger and faster, that whole 9 yards, and just makes them do good work. Let's see. Now the question is, do we want to make them cheaper? Or do we want to go ahead and give them the ability to see camouflage? Probably we are not going to need the ability to see camouflage, because these necromancers have the shimmer ability, which is the one right before this one, that allows them to take the camouflage off balloons. So camouflage is not going to be super important, so we might actually go down the monkey business route and just make their upgrades a little cheaper. So let's do it. There we go. When we want to get primary expertise at some point, and that will make tier 1 and tier 2 free, so this will just make tier 3 cost less. Now we'll surround this area with a whole bunch of these monkeys. Let's see if we can get in there. We're so close. You'll see that there's one upgrade that's ticking on and off, and that is the upgrade from the potion seller. And I can handle his potions. So we're just being super careful, slap him down. Because we're trying to shove as much stuff in here together as we possibly can. So close. Alright. Let all these monkeys go free. We're going to turn a lot of these monkeys into the same thing. We're going to turn 2 of them into archers, because they're pretty good as archers. And we also... oh, well, we can't use that upgrade, but we can still use them as good archers. There we go. Not enough room. Even if we go up and down, we don't see a blink of white. Alright, so... this guy cannot stay in range of the money tower. None of these guys will. So, we'll just accept that they're outside the range. We'll upgrade them last. There we go. We might as well at least lay them out, even if we don't plan to spend a lot of money on them right away, because it's good to have them available. Here comes the Zed. We should be totally fine. We're gonna drop the spikes again. He's going through these trees here that absorb the balloons. Excellent. And we got another monkey knowledge point. I'll show you that as soon as the round is over. Got another free monkey, so let's throw him out here. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. Good, 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 good. Alright, so these guys are pretty well handled, so we're not going to worry about them. The next thing we're going to do is we'll go ahead and get Ball of Lightning to once again keep them handled. We have this guy targeting the strong. Or, sorry, this guy's targeting the strong. We can give him Transforming Tonic, but I would prefer to go ahead and get the upgrade on this wizard first. Let's see, let's see. Alright, let's let that go. Plant more trees. Plant more thorns. None of them stand a chance. Unfortunately, these guys cannot get through enough to even get close to the chemist here, who's turning them into gold. That's that twinkle sound you hear, and a lot of them, they're not making it in time. And if they were, we would be getting even more money for them. So it's a bit of a disappointment that we're not getting that chance. Oh, this round is throwing a lot of money at us. We might actually be able to get the upgrade this round. Another Zed. After this, what I'm probably going to do is we're going to get ourselves a glue monkey. We're going to show you how fantastic that can be. Good. Pop these. There we go. Now we have Prince of Darkness. We got a bunch of money from that tree getting overfilled. And with this Prince of Darkness over here this time, he's far enough back that these blimps are a lot more active while everything else is around. This is good because we can pop these other blimps in here, and that lets the rest of their balloons get destroyed a lot quicker. If we only pop the blimp way back here, because this is where his attacks are starting, then it doesn't help you that much. They've got so much less area to go. So you want them to be broken down and stuck in here. Which is also why we're going to go ahead and get ourselves this glue gunner. The unfortunate thing is that he's not going to be available in... He's not going to be able to do what we want him to do over at the beginning, which is where I would like to put him. But we can put him here. And his job is going to be that he's going to glue Moabs, and he's going to glue lots of them. He's just going to get the stickiest sticky glue that we can get, and we'll get him all the way to the top level, which means that any blimp or anything that gets hit with it will get stuck. And will be immobilized for a moment. This is leave behind some glue, but that's not what we want. What we actually want is max level. We're going to generate enough money real soon. We're going to pop these 2 Zeds, plant some trees, throw out some thorns. Done. All right. Generated some cash here, you guys. We're also going to make him target the strong. We're going to do Relentless Glue, and then Super Glue is the glue that will immobilize the Moabs. Slowing down the Moabs inside this area makes such a big difference, just having them trapped inside this vortex of doom. Okay. This guy is going to be our catapulter. He's going to get long range and enhanced eyesight, which is basically super long range. He's going to target the last, which means he's always going to throw this brick all the way down the line. Juggernaut. $91. We have 9 rounds to go before the bad comes. Well, technically 8, actually. Because the bad will come on round 100. We finish this round, and we'll have just a few left. All right. 6 left. All right, we still can't afford this glue. That's the wrong one. We can't afford his super juggernaut throw yet. We can afford to turn this guy, though, into an arrow. And I think that is what we will do. We'll do something similar with this one here, because he's in range of all the upgrades. So we'll give him... Actually, this guy. Yeah, he's in range of everything. So, well, we probably should actually get this too. So let's do this first. We'll get the Monkey Intelligence Bureau first, just in case. You can't see it, but this is launching all the way down the line, exactly like we wanted. Good. Very quick shots. Crossbow. It gives him a whole lot of range, which is pretty great. Sharpshooter, we'll go ahead and get him that. This Ultra Juggernaut is pretty great. Having this right now is perfect, because these are camo, regrow, and magic proof. And we've made them no longer magic proof, because this allows these magicians in its range to kill anything that they touch. Good. Come on, my boy. Get this upgraded and we'll be in great shape. This is also really great, it's just too expensive. This tornado will blow back Moabs. And that is beyond broken. Just beyond broken. Can you tell that it's late at night and I've been busy working all day because my voice sounds like I was Donald Duck with throat cancer? It's been a lot of A lot of paperwork today, actually, to be honest. But it's been pretty good. We've got a lot of work we were able to get done, and we've got a lot of work that we were able to get scheduled to be done later. And I'm always super excited about that, because more work getting done means more money in my pockets, and I desperately love money. These are gonna die. That's great.
Target.
He's almost at level 20. And this guy was not going to be finished upgrade anytime. I think the next thing we'll do is we'll give him this transformation tonic, because that's very effective. We may also get a wizard after that. So let's get this transformation tonic ready. Money. And this is absorbing a small part of each of these blimps. And you see the zombie blimps were beating themselves. And the nice thing about this loop-de-loop is that the zombie blimps, even though the path technically is out and around and down, when the zombie blimps cross this path, they still pop on it. And so same thing with the fire. If the fire's sitting here, the balloons will pop if they hit it here, and they will also pop if they come around and hit it here. So these intersections are pretty great. Alright, let's go for it. We're going to turn on a little bit of slow, just to give ourselves time to react if something goes cattywampus. We're going to make him activate his special. It basically turns him into a super monkey. Now, we've got 11,000 bucks. What should we do with it? We'll put him here. We'll take him down the path of fire. Summon Phoenix. We're not going to put him on Super Phoenix. Now the question is... popping through 2 layers of balloon. Or popping more balloons, not necessarily necessary. So let's just make him hit harder and not miss. Here we go. That's just about all we can spend right now. We could... What could we do? Oh, I know one more thing. We have 19 monkeys to place. So we'll slap these down real quick here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention. Okay. So, yesterday we talked about how I was accidentally dropping monkeys where they weren't supposed to be. And I'm like, oh man, I bet you my battery's dead. I tell you what, I changed my battery. And with a mouse, it didn't occur to me. But there is a notable difference between having a completely full battery and having a somewhat dying battery. Like, the entire performance of the mouse is different when it's really fully loaded. Like, the frames of where the mouse is moving are so much more defined. When the mouse was dying and I didn't know it was dying, I just thought, well, I guess that's the trials of having a wireless mouse. When the mouse was dying, you could it was like a slideshow watching the mouse move around the screen. And I just thought, I guess that's just what a mouse does when it's wireless, because it seemed fine on my laptop. And then I bring it over to the full computer, and it's a slideshow. And that's what I thought it was, but no. Turns out I go ahead and I put new batteries in it yesterday after it dropped that hero in the wrong place, and I didn't really like that. And it's perfect. Works absolutely perfect. I think we'll also get a helicopter. No, we don't need it. We don't have enough money to upgrade it if we did. Then let's just get another sniper. Can we put him in any of this? Is he gonna flash and activate? Alright. Not activating, but he's money, and that's good. Alright, that's all he can afford for right now. Let's see what happens. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, we've got him covered in that stuff. And he's also getting glued. The problem with the bad is that it's immune to just about all forms of status effect. The only status effect that really seems to do anything to it is stuff that just makes him get hurt more. But anything that would slow him down, or stop it, or freeze it, it's just immune. Doesn't feel a thing. Let's get this bird going. Let's put these out again. I wish I had this proc. There's some more money. We can make him shoot a little faster. There we go. We've procced this. He's shooting like crazy. This upgrade is pretty fantastic. If I had enough money, I would have turned the sniper into an elite sniper. But we did not, of course. Flame Wizard is still shooting a good bit of flames. I don't think we're going to make it again, guys. None of these guys can hurt him.
Oh, not getting through.
I've done this over and over and over again. So what am I doing so wrong this time? What am I doing that's killing me? Well, for one thing, I had this procced at the wrong time. What else could we change? Alright. We'll work on this. We'll change some stuff. And we'll do it again. Let's see, how much time has passed here? We're about 20 minutes in. So what we'll do is, we'll call this. And then I'll get back to where I was again. We'll have a similar but slightly different setup. And we're going to post two things on the same day. We're going to win this. We're absolutely going to win this. So, thank you for all you're watching. I wish I was a bit more excited, but to be honest, I'm just absolutely frustrated. Anywho, tell me your stories. I'd like to know how your things have gone. I'd like to know about some stuff that went on. I go when we win this, and I go to some different stuff and just get kind of more laid back. I'd like to tell you some different stories about me, some stuff I've been working on lately, some things outside the channel that I do, and I'd like to know some stuff about I'd like to know some stuff about you like that as well. You know, what are your stories? What are your things that you do? What is some of the fun that you have? Let me know. I'm excited to hear about it. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all a little later today because we're going to win this. Bye.